Hello students, today we are going to discuss 6th worksheet chapter 1 English medium class 10th. The fifth type of reaction, redox, or you can say reduction and oxidation reaction. Now oxidation reaction can be defined in terms of addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. You can see from copper, oxygen is added, it will become copper oxide, which is black in color. Likewise magnesium, oxygen is added, it is becoming magnesium oxide. Reduction reaction is also defined in terms of removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. When copper oxide is there, when we added hydrogen, it becomes copper plus water. So this copper oxide loses oxygen and reduces to copper. So this is how this reaction takes place. When hydrogen gas is passed over the heated copper oxide, the black coating on the surface turns brown and the following reaction takes place and copper is obtained. So this reduction reaction, copper oxide के ऊपर जब हाइड्रोजन पास कर रहे हैं हम, तो जो है वो कॉपर में चेंज हो जाता है. Now when we say redox reaction means when both the things, oxidation and reduction, are taking place in a single reaction. जब दोनों चीज़ें एक ही में हो रही हैं, जैसे कॉपर ऑक्साइड और हाइड्रोजन प्लस कॉपर प्लस वाटर है, इन दिस रिएक्शन copper oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and is being oxidized. In the other words, one reactant gets oxidized and other gets reduced. Such reaction are called oxidation reaction or redox reaction. इसी तरह से एक और एग्जांपल है मैंगनीज ऑक्साइड प्लस HCl का. HCl is oxidized to chlorine while मैंगनीज ऑक्साइड is reduced to मैंगनीज क्लोराइड. ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हुई है तो वो जो है अभी इसके अंदर यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, निकली है तो रिडक्शन होगा. नेक्स्ट इज you can see the question answers. Define redox reaction with example. You can write this is your answer number 1. This is the reaction and the example is there. In the following reaction, identify the reactant, oxidize and reduce. So first one is this, question number 2. First equation, HCl oxidized to chlorine, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. Copper oxide and H2 and COH2 is your second part, is this one. Next is, in the equation magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide will be formed. So what is happening, magnesium is oxidized. When copper is oxidized in form of copper oxide, black color. Explain the following in terms of gain or loss. So this is the answer number 4. This is in terms of gain of, this is the for oxidation, A part, and this is your B part, reduction. So hope this will clear your doubts. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.